Hello. Okay, today gonna preview JL VXi, the amplifier with the integrated DSP. It's ordered to install to Mercedes 250, Mercedes E-Class 250 with the Harman kordon amp inside there. Okay, let's see what they get inside the box. This one is paper, a sticker, not that important. Another, this one is look like a speaker output. This one, there's a data cable for linking with the application to audio tuning, and the power connector. It look nice. What else? This is a subwoofer output, speaker output, and that's JL logo. What's that? This look. It's just putting over here. Okay, we'll do later on. What this? It look like a knob or something. Let's say I'm gonna figure it out. Gonna reading the manual and figure out later. I don't know what it is. And this is okay, seems like a input or something. Yeah. Yep, look like a input, and come with the tools. Okay, look at the amp look tiny and light, so small. Let's see, I'm gonna try to fit it in to this car. Okay, after take the trim out, all the trim been taken off and access to the amp. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do. We have to try to get the speaker wiring from here. Okay, I'm gonna check the speaker wiring, which one, and wire up to the high level, to the amplifier high level. Okay, next we access to the battery for make the 4-gate wire through the firewall. Normally they have the air flap control cover here. Just take it off by clip and take it out. You can get a battery and follow me to get inside the car. Take it out all the carpet and the cover. There's control box here, and here you will see Mercedes prepare the whole. So you can just the rubber and the hole is here. I'm gonna wire the 4-gauge wire through here, along under the floor, through the trunk over here. Okay, it's coming back after I'm running 4-gauge wiring through firewall, and I put every carpet back and I run through underneath here, put follow the trim through here, and it's out to here. Prepare to hook up the amp. After wiring the output to the high level output to the amplifier. This JL amp is provided RCA plug. It's not just wiring like this RCA plug. That's why I have to wiring the RCA connector to this one. That's a 6 output. Cut it off and wiring speaker input here to the speaker output to the amp. Alright, it says the color. Somebody need to know the color, what the color is. All of this is if you see, is a brown strip, and I pick is green. Brown strip is always negative. It's green. This one is front left, and the orange is front right. The pink is rear left, and the white is rear right, and you can follow the color. All right, okay, I will close the connection properly after soldering. Not look like beautiful. I will wrap something and I show you what's going on there. Okay, after wrap the wire, get the speaker wire output from the amp, and RCA high level input to amp, and put the amp, the factory amp back. I'm gonna mount the amp over here. Okay, coming back. Here we go. After finish, connect the fuse, and then connect the sub, hook up the amp. Then I get the remote turn on from here, the yellow wire. This is the way hook up on the side. This is the here. Keep the original one inside here with all the wiring. And here we go. I did tuning by JL Audio, what they say, 2N. That's it, and just cut off crossover on the front and back, so 80 Hz, and send 80 Hz to the back.
Black Friday is now on at Target. Discover hundreds of offers online and in store in our biggest shopping event of the year. But don't
Here's some music.
Offers end at Monday. Shop in store online now at target.com.au.
Okay, villains, what have you been doing to be more good? Let's start with the vampire.
Sure. So, I've committed to only flying in bat form. No more plane travel. I now donate 30% of my victims' blood to blood banks. Oh, and I've started drinking this beer. It has all natural ingredients and is certified organic.
I pick some music to testing. thank you for watching.